was Goa of 73, where law and order was so perfect that we had no trouble keeping the house without lock for half an hour or 1 hour out of house situation. Now situation has changed, there is influx, the railway which has come in, very fast road connectivity, so the possibility of theft has increased. We switched to tumbler lock from there. I think now we are going for 8-lever Godrej locks. Now people are looking out for a built-in lock to the door so that they can't just knock it off. So generally the situation with the development goes to that level. But still I remember again 2004 when first film festival took place in Goa. That was one of the focal point to make Goa known across globe. And on 10 consecutive days, there were more than 70,000-80,000 crowd in Panji City. I am proud to say in 2004, there was not a single case of pickpocketing or any teasing or molestation. Not a single case. So that is discipline and that is law and order. So I can't 100% say that for today. I intend to get that situation very soon. It's already happening, but that kind of situation is very important for tourism. And good infrastructure, good power, that's government job. We'll do it.